Hello everyone. Welcome back to our programming series. Today we are going to see about SkillRack Daily Challenge, that is, Flowchart Logic. Char str 101, this line declares an array of characters called str with a size of 101. This means that this array can hold up to 100 characters, plus one extra character for the null terminator \0. Scanf, %s, str, this line uses the scanf function to take in user input from the keyboard and store it in the variable str. The %s format specifier tells scanf to read in a string, a sequence of characters, and store it in the given variable. Int len equals strlen, str, index equals 0, this line declares two variables, len and index. The first variable, len, is assigned the value returned by calling strlen on our string str. The strlen function calculates and returns the length of a given string. So, essentially, we are storing the length of our input string into this variable. The second variable, index, is initialized to 0, which will be used later as an index for accessing individual characters within our string. While index len, this is where things get interesting. This line starts a while loop which will continue executing until its condition evaluates to false, i.e., when index becomes greater than or equal to len. In other words, the code takes in a string as input and prints out the characters in the string that are between a and j, replacing any other characters with an asterisk. I hope this explanation helps. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more programming challenges. Thanks for watching.